top. Lights on. Hi guys, it's Ebenezer. That's what I've been scratched at. Today we'll be talking about calibrating your monitor. Alright, so today I'll be showing you how to calibrate your screen, and this is a calibrator, and I just got this from X-Rite. It's called the Color Monkey Smile. I don't know if you can see that over there, but it's called the Color Monkey Smile. So this is a calibrator, and this is just what it is. It really looks like a mouse, right? But it's not a mouse. So this is what it is. All you have to do is place this on your monitor, and this is a counterweight that just lets this hangs right on your monitor, and then you calibrate away. So let me show you how that is done. It's pretty simple, very easy to set up, no stress needed. And this is the CD that contains the driver. Once you install this, just run the software and you're good to go. You'll be taking through series of processes that you need to go. Very simple processes, takes like I think 3-4 processes and you're done. So let me quickly show you how that is done. This is the interface of the software. I've already installed the driver, and this is what I get. Now it's telling me that multiple displays have been detected. Each display must be calibrated individually. That is because I've connected my laptop to this desktop monitor to so I can have a bigger display here. So what I'll do is I'll start, and right now it's telling me to plug in my calibrator. So that's exactly what I'll do. Alright, so let me just plug that in over here. Okay, so it should detect that. Yeah, I declared of that warning sign for me, and yes, it's telling me. So I just have to place it over here where the software is marking out for me. So this is what the counterweight just helps me do. I can just adjust it to keep that in place. So I think I could just give the monitor a little tilt like that, so that the calibrator can rest well on the screen. Yeah, I think that's good enough. All right, so begin. All right, so now my screen is calibrating, and it's just running through some series of colors based on the lighting conditions that I have here. It's calibrating the colors, so it will run through some patches of colors, and when it's done, I think I'll have a calibrated screen that will be ready to work on. And let me just tell you a few things about this. Calibrating your screen, it just makes you, have a really great screen to work with. The screen that comes from the factory, they are not all calibrated. Even if you are using something like the ASUS kind of monitor that are designed for professionals and for photography, still you will still need to calibrate those kind of screens because their color are not as accurate as it should be. But when you calibrate it, you have accurate colors, and this thing doesn't just calibrate your colors, it also calibrates your brightness and contrast, which in turn means highlights and shadows for we photographers. And it's really important that you can have a very good range of highlights and shadows. You want everything to be displayed, and without a calibrator, you might not be able to do that. So I'll be back when this is done. But in the meantime, enjoy this music so you just don't keep staring at me calibrate my screen all day long.
Oh baby, your body's on fire. Gonna get time for nothing. I need go time for nothing. Oh baby, your body's on fire. Let me go dancing up. Let me go down the butt. Let me go from the wild.
yeah, can take this off. Okay, let's see what it looks like before, wow, and after. Before and after. You can tell this monitor is really saturated. Like it has a lot of yellows in it. But now that I've calibrated it, this is what I get. It has cooled it down for me, and yeah. So this is the profile I'm gonna be using for my monitor, and we're done here. So I will leave a link in the description down below where you can buy this. I bought this from Amazon. I will leave a link in the description down below so you can buy it there, and I'm gonna click done. Perfect. So this is what I have. I have a calibrated monitor. Alright guys, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and click the bell icons and turn on the notifications so you can get notifications anytime I put out a new video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.